Okay, this is the Welch Allyn wall mount setup. As you can see, our service rep is mounting the bracket, and how he's doing that is using as you see at the top up there, is a level, and just simply marking the wall. And he goes and takes that off. Next, we show him actually putting in the screws and mounting that. He's using the self-tapping wall mount screws. And now he's going to secure the plate onto the wall using the screws that he set up. It's a pretty simple process, nothing too overly complex. Again, checking the level. Looks like everything good. Oh, dropped one. And let's recheck that level one more time. Okay, looks like we're level, and we're going to go ahead and put the other screws in. But again, it's a pretty simple process. And finally put the third screw in. Now you notice that the wall mount bracket is pretty firm. Now on the back of that board right there is a lip, and the actual unit just rests right on top of that, nice and firm. Again, we check at the level to make sure everything looks good. It looks like it's great. Now we can start hanging the different products that go on this wall. And you notice that the screws line up pretty well. Most of these pretty much just slide on and clip on pretty easily. Nothing too complex. And these do go in this particular order. You can put them on the wall at different orders, but pretty much you want to put them in the same position. They are pre-drilled that way. The dial that you're looking at slides backwards and forwards, or left or right I should say, so you can easily get in there and make your adjustments. Most of the screws are provided with the kit. Sometimes you'll have to supply a sheet metal, a wood screw. You'll see him tightening that up. What he fails to do is that you can move that dial to the left to get out of the way of the screw, and the same thing with the right. At the bottom of that dial, it basically just hangs on there, and then the two screws go into the top. Each one of the little items just have a clip and a set of screws that go onto the board. Everything basically goes down and slides on. That goes for the ear, nose, and throat part, and also with the temperature thermometer. And you can see him actually putting that on there. We moved that around a little bit on the video. But that's it. That's the setup. There's a little connectors that go on there, and we'll show you in a couple pictures on how that looks. But it's pretty simple. Nothing too difficult. And there you have it, the complete setup.